In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem Walmart gift card. So for those people who do not know Walmart, Walmart is the America's biggest retail store, and by redeeming its gift card, then basically you guys can use it as a payment method. I mean, the cash which is in your, gift card is going to be used for paying the stuff which you buy, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem it. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on. Let's move on. First step is you want to go to walmart.com, which is the official website of Walmart. Once you're over here, you want to log in into your account. After you do that, you want to click on versus account. Once you click on account, you want to click on account again. And once you click on account, over here where it says gift card, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page over here. Now once you're over here, basically you need to enter your card number and the 4-digit PIN code and your gift card's nickname. After you enter all this information, which is available on the back side of your gift card, basically you just want to scroll a bit down and click on save card. Once you do that, when you're buying stuff on Walmart, basically your gift card will be used. So that's basically how you guys can use your gift card in Walmart, or in other words, redeem it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. See you guys in my next video.